Using a Wise card abroad can be a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling. To get started, first make sure you have a Wise account and a Wise debit card. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up for a Wise account online and order a card. Once you have your Wise card, you can use it to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs abroad, just like you would at home. Before you travel, it's a good idea to notify Wise that you will be using your card abroad, so they can expect foreign transactions and don't flag them as suspicious. When making a purchase with your Wise card abroad, simply select the local currency as the payment option, and the merchant will charge you in that currency. Wise will then convert the amount to your home currency using the current exchange rate, and you will be charged that amount. One of the benefits of using a Wise card abroad is that you don't have to worry about exchange rates or hidden fees. Wise uses the real exchange rate, without any markup, and charges a small fixed fee for each transaction. This can save you a significant amount of money compared to using a traditional bank card or exchanging cash. To minimize fees, try to use ATMs that are affiliated with Wise, as they don't charge any additional fees. You can find a list of these ATMs on the Wise website or mobile app. Also, be aware that some merchants may charge a small fee for using a foreign card, so it's always a good idea to check with them before making a purchase. In addition to using your Wise card for purchases and cash withdrawals, you can also use the Wise mobile app to track your spending, monitor your account balance, and receive notifications about transactions. This can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid any unexpected fees or charges. Overall, using a Wise card abroad is a straightforward and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling. By following these steps and being mindful of fees and exchange rates, you can enjoy your trip without worrying about your money.